friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making a copycat recipe of Subway tuna salad sandwich. For the Subway tuna salad, we need a can of tuna in water, so this is 5 ounces, and mayo. And to assemble a sandwich, we need the Subway shaped buns, so the long sandwich rolls, and toppings of your choice. I'm just going to use shredded lettuce, tomatoes, and red onions. And you can add any other toppings that Subway uses. So here's the tuna in water. So I already opened the can and I'm going to drain the water. So we just need the tuna and not the water. And now let's put tuna in a bowl. And for this 1 can of tuna, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of mayo. Mix it until combined. So that's all there is to Subway tuna salad. It's just tuna and mayo. And now let's make our sandwich. So let's take a sub roll and add tuna. And since you're making it yourself, you can be more generous than Subway. So I'm really adding more salad than they would. And add any other toppings. So I'm going to add onions, tomatoes, and shredded lettuce. And of course you can add cheese if you like. So totally up to you. So here's homemade Subway tuna salad. It looks amazing. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love tuna salad. Delicious. This is so good. So now you can have Subway tuna salad without going to Subway. And it's so easy to make. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!